All right, today I have a Genesis GV70, and I'm going to show you how to open the hood on this particular Genesis GV70. I'm going to show you how to do it so you can get underneath your hood and do whatever you need to do under the hood, whatever that means. That's up to you. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right. So let's get started. So I'm in the Genesis GV70 behind the steering wheel. Make sure that the vehicle is in park. I applied the parking brake as well. Okay, I'm on a flat surface. Make sure you do all that, okay? Make sure the vehicle's off. Now, what you'll do is you'll first open up the door. You don't necessarily have to open the door, but I find it easier to do it this way. And so once you open up the door, you'll see, look down towards the footwell, and you'll see this right here. This lever right here is for the hood. It is a picture of a car with the hood propped open. What you'll do is you'll take your hand and you'll pop them nut collars. You'll pop the hood by taking this and pulling it back, and you hear a pop, okay? So once you heard that pop, felt the pop, lock and drop it, and then you walk around to the front of the vehicle, okay? So once you've walked around to the front of the vehicle, you'll try to lift it, but you can't. It's because you have a safety lock in place. And so you'll have to raise the safety lock. So I'll show you what it looks like in there. So you come in right here, you slide it in, and you just curve your finger a little bit, like this. All right, and that's how you get the spot right here. So you're gonna take this, lift up, and boom. And it stays open. This is what I was talking about. You take it right here, get the right spot right there, lift it, and it unlocks the safety latch, and you're able to open up the hood of the vehicle. And when you're done, to close it, you just simply come right here, get a hard slam down like that, and you've closed the hood. And that is how you open and close the hood on a Genesis GV70. I hope this is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.